भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं.
Hi friends, to all the viewers of Yashodhara TV, I tell you man, today I came across one of the most outstanding company that is very specifically targeting for the luxury villas or the luxury apartments, and also for the commercial outlets, and also for all the purposes where the parking lot could be made a dream destination. And here, if I come talking about this, it is one such company called as EFAFLEX, and one person who is the most dynamic person who has come all the way from Germany is Mr. Jane Kraus.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Welcome to India.
Thank you very much.
So, how is the feeling your place in India today?
Very good, and it's a pleasure to be here. And thank you very much for welcome.
Pleasure is all mine, sir. Do take our our best wishes to Germany, your country as well.
Yes, thank you.
So, can you elaborate more about your company? What is this company is all about? Like, and how is it making such a big difference in the parking slot?
Yes, let me give you some words about the company EFAFLEX first.
Yes, sir.
Our company exists since 1974.
Okay.
So we are a well-known company in the high-speed door market. We are the market leader, the quality leader, and we have a lot of several different types of doors to provide all the wishes of our customers. We are a European, German-based company in south of Germany, in Munich area.
Munich area, okay.
Yes, and we are here and have the chance to present now our door, especially for the parking industry, and make the people safe and happy.
Sir, tell me, what is that ultimate hallmark achievement that your company has achieved, if you have to say or mention here?
We are here and to provide the quality to the people. Quality and speed. We speak about speed up to 4 meters per second.
Really?
Really.
And you're going to stand out here?
Yes.
Marvelous, isn't it? Okay.
So therefore we make the people happy, and the people are surprised about the speed and safety and quality they will receive from EFAFLEX.
Marvelous. It is all about quality and speed. That makes the ultimate difference for EFAFLEX.
Right.
Tell me, sir, in the present day generation, what is the actual challenges or what is the future, next generation thoughts that you are trying to put into your thought process here?
For us, it's important now for the Indian market to get the brand awareness, that the people knows about EFAFLEX, and therefore we are more than 10 years already in the market, in the Indian market. We are placed here already, and we are working together with our partner Gateman here placed in Hyderabad.
Okay. I would love to know more about the Gateman company as well. Will you please introduce him?
Yes, so I would like to invite to our interview Mr. Nitin Seshu from the company Gateman.
Hi, Mr. Nitin Seshu. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
Very much fine, sir. It's been a great pleasure that we spoke to your German counterpart. It's been a great pleasure. It's given a basic introduction to us. Can you elaborate more about the Indian nativity concepts that your company is trying to put in here?
Yes. So basically what we are trying to do here is we are bringing in German technology to India and also suiting to Indian environments and Indian work environments and Indian usage and Indian culture. So when we talk about the parking doors, especially in Indian apartments in Hyderabad, if you see, there are beautiful luxury apartments which look like a 7-star hotel or a 5-star hotel when you go inside. But when you go to the basement, you find only the boom barriers wherein the dogs and cats and rats enter in. You have luxury cars, you have luxury cars and luxury vehicles over there which are not protected from any of these pests. So we are introducing first time our EFAFLEX parking door in India to protect all this. Now let us come back to the reason why they are not using a fully covered parking till date. The reason is rolling shutters are very slow and people don't have time to wait outside, and it gets crowded and long queues of cars until the rolling shutter opens and closes for every car. Whereas when we bring in EFAFLEX, the door opens up in 1 second and it closes in 1 second. So I think there won't be any traffic. Even if you go to a toll booth, there will be a traffic. But if you're using an EFAFLEX high-speed door, you will not have that. I actually recommend even EFAFLEX doors for even toll booths, wherein we can have instead of boom barriers over there. It's just a joke.
But I understand. Yeah, the necessity. That's how it's working, like you say. That the confidence speaks here. Sir, tell me, Mr. Before can we have a detailing tour how the functionality of the shutter goes on? Like,
sure.
Shall we do that?
Yeah.
Sir, shall we go? He's
Yes.
going to show. Shall we go?
Yes.
So this is our T-Storm wind resistant rolling shutter. It has a wind resistance of 220 kilometers per hour. Now this rolling shutter is being used for the bullet train project and also by ISRO for their rocket propulsion area. The advantage of this rolling shutter is basically for the wide openings wherein you have higher wind speeds and the shutter can tolerate the highest wind speeds of 220 kilometers per hour, which is, I think, the most necessity in the coastal areas and high windy areas. So when you see about this rolling shutter, though it looks like a normal rolling shutter from outside, when you see it from the inside, you can see this huge telescopic bar which is down locking at the floor, and that gives that resistance of wind, projecting, not allowing the profiles to project out or to come out from the guides. So let me show you this rolling shutter in operation, wherein the column will go up, turn into 90 degrees on the top, and gives a clear opening while it is fully opened. So this product is basically made up of the motor, and the rolling shutter opens up with a speed of 300 mm per second, which is almost 3 times the ordinary rolling shutter speed. So when you have the bigger rolling shutters, you need the speed and also the wind resistance. That's what this rolling shutter is all about. This rolling shutter is also equipped with the parachute mechanism, which is the safety feature of this door, wherein if the motor fails, the parachute gets the sensors and then it stops the rolling shutter usage and just slowly release the shutter in a very slow motion and avoiding any accidents to cause. So now let us move on to our next rolling shutter, which is the most economical rolling shutter in our company, that is Eco model of our rolling shutters. This model comes up with aluminium lats, allowing us zero rust and zero maintenance. These rolling shutters are mostly used for all the warehouses and the industries, whereas there won't be any rust and it's maintenance free completely. The rolling shutter operates in such a smooth manner, wherein we would like to show the operation of this rolling shutter. You can see that rolling shutter is also giving the safety instructions, wherein your workforce also will be safe while operating the rolling shutter. The speed of this rolling shutter is 90 mm per second, and it is the most economical model from our company, which can be used for warehouses, residences and the industries. The advantages of these rolling shutters are zero rust, zero maintenance, completely grease free. This rolling shutter is also having the wind lock mechanism inside, which is not seen outside, and the wind locks will protect the rolling shutter during high winds. The rolling shutter is capable of wind resistance of 115 kilometers per hour, and also the guides are completely screw fit, which can be removed anytime whenever you want to change the rolling shutter position. So now let us move to the other product. So this is our airtight rolling shutter. The basic advantage of this airtight rolling shutter is when you see a rolling shutter, there will be a gap in the front, but this rolling shutter, when the rolling shutter is opening, the motor moves back, and then you can see the motor is moving back and allowing the profiles to roll up, and then when the rolling shutter is moving down, it completely moves front and then seals away the gap. So this shutter is also equipped with the photo sensor mechanisms, which will reverse the shutter if there is any safety problem. So as you can see, this rolling shutter is also equipped with all the photo sensors and radar sensor mechanism, and then the shutter moves back if there is any object or man interference during the shutter operation. Now I would like to show this shutter from outside, so you can also see the shutter location from outside, wherein it is completely airtight. So this shutter, when it is moving down, you can see that the rolling shutter is fast. It is 200 mm per second speed, which is almost double the speed than the ordinary rolling shutters. So you can see on these sides that the rolling shutter is completely sealed with no air gap, allowing no air or insects or any pests to come inside your warehouse or cold storage units. These rolling shutters are also used in the residential segment, especially in commercial hotels and commercial spaces for their French windows. Now I present you our most premium product, our EFAFLEX parking door. Now, when you see the normal rolling shutter, the speed is maximum of 300 mm per second, whereas the speed of our EFAFLEX parking door is 3 meters per second. You can see the height of this door, which is you can see in the video, is 3.5 meters in height. But then the door is closing and opening in 1 second, which allows the cars to pass in fast and move out fast. The door can run up to 250,000 cycles per year, which is the minimum, and it can go maximum up to 5 lakh cycles per year. And the life of this door is 25 years. You can calculate the number of cycles for the 25 years. The door is also equipped with all the TLG sensors. As you can see in the video, that the door automatically goes back if there is some objection, and the reaction time is some microseconds. The emergency opening for our door is also very simple, wherein you just have to pull this emergency lever and then lift it with one hand. So it's very simple to operate and also use it during emergency. We also have complete lock mechanism, wherein once the shutter is closed, when you don't want others to open it or some theft to happen, you can just pull this and the door is completely locked. Nobody can use the door. So now I would like my German colleague to talk about the features of this, more about the features of this door, so that it will be useful for all the customers in India.
Yes, thank you for the words. Vitin, thank you. EFAFLEX, as you see, high-speed door at high class. We are the fastest door in vertical version, up to 4 meters per second. It's a safety tool for all people, for all persons, and it's a tool to be safe and fast, and it's economic as well. You can save energy, yes, and this door is responsible for a long time availability. You can use this door up to at least 10 to 15 years with a yearly cycle number of at least 250,000. And we speak about one cycle is one up and down. So it's amazing. So please get in contact with us, come to us, speak with us. We give you the input, the information to find the right door for you. Thank you.
I would like to add a few more sentences. The lamels, we can give complete transparent lamels. We can give ventilated lamels. We can give different size lamels depending on what you love and like. We can customize the door for you, so don't worry about the looks. So it's all about the speed and the safe. When you see our tagline, it is safe high-speed doors. So here we are.
It has been an outstanding tour of this company, EFAFLEX, and they stood to what all you just spoke out. I'm telling you, it's been outstanding, right? So, friends, will you please give out your contact details or anything, how you want people will be allowed to come in contact with you?
Okay, so since Gateman is representing EFAFLEX in India, you can contact on the number 7680-800-700. My name is Nitin, and my sales team and my technical team will reach out to you for your assistance.
And any website as such?
You can also see all our products on www.gateman.com as well as EFAFLEX.com.
So, sir, it's been a great EFAFLEX and Mr.
Yes.
Jeans.
Yes, thank you very much.
Namaste. It's been a great pleasure, and we have enjoyed touring your products, sir. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste, thank you.
Bye.